Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Pro. Today I'm going to show you how you can actually upload to your Instagram from your PC and laptop. Even though this is a very common trick, some of you might already know this, but there are a lot of people who don't know about it, okay? So if you are one of them, then no problem. I'm going to show you how it's done. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Pro. My name is Jatin Kumar and you're watching Tech Pro channel. Here I teach all the tech stuff that really matters. This time around, I'm going to show you how you can actually upload Instagram post from your PC and laptop. Even though you can surf on internet from your PC, but there is no option out there to actually upload your post or anything, reels, likes, etc. Right? So I'm going to show you how you can actually do this. If you are one of those beginners who don't know about tech a lot, then I suggest you to subscribe to the channel, because nowadays I have started a new series called Basic Tech Stuff, and I'm actually going to show you the basic stuff that technology have but many people don't know about it. I mean, if you are starting with technology, then you need to know some basic stuff about technology. So please subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss those beginners tips too. Now let me show you how you can actually upload Instagram post from your PC step by step, okay? If you find any step to be difficult or confusing, you can actually follow me on Instagram or Twitter to let me know, and I will actually going to help you, okay? I have not many subscribers out there, so it's very easy for me to actually help you guys, okay? So please follow me out there. Now that's out of the way, let's get started. So first of all, the thing that you actually need to do is open a browser. I'm using Chromium Edge here. You can use Chrome as well as Mozilla Firefox. It depends on your choice. This trick is going to work on every browser, okay? Open your browser and search for Instagram. Just type in Instagram. After that, just click on instagram.com. You need to now log into your ID if you haven't done that. I'm already logged in, so let's go to the profile section, okay? You can see here there's no option to upload anything from your PC version, okay? So to achieve upload button on Instagram from your PC, you need to follow some steps, okay? So first of all, the first step is about to inspect elements, okay? Right click and you can see the inspect element option. You can also use the three dots here and go to the more option and the developer options, okay? For most of the browsers, I suggest you to actually just right click on there and you can see inspect element. Now your windows look like this. If it's not looking like this, maybe it's about your dock style is different, okay? Just click on here, just like what I'm doing, okay? You just need to click on device toggle option, okay? If it's already in landscape mode, you need to shift it to the smartphone mode, okay? Now your window will look like this, just like a smartphone, okay? Now the second step is you to click on responsive tab, okay? Here you can choose which device you want your Instagram to be emulated in, okay? We are going to click on iPhone X here, okay? After clicking on it, you can see nothing happened because we haven't refreshed it yet. Let's just refresh the page. Now you can see the magic. This now has become your smartphone, okay? Now you can actually find the upload button. Just click on the upload button and choose the file that you wanted to upload into your Instagram. You can find edit and filter options too, just like you find it smartphone. So this is how you can actually upload Instagram post on your PC, okay? So that's it guys, this is how you can actually upload any videos, photos or reel that you want to upload from your PC to your Instagram. If you ever want to download Instagram videos and photos on your PC, then I have given a very simple solution that you can follow this video. It's a very simple extension that you can use to actually download videos and photos on your PC. I hope this trick helped you guys. If this helps you, then please subscribe to the channel and help this channel grow. If this trick helped you, then please like this video, share it with your friend, and please follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And subscribe to the channel, please. Don't forget to subscribe. I heard that subscribing me is a very good sin. Good sin? No, no sins, please. And if any of you find video to be confusing or maybe a little difficult, then please do let me know, comment down there. If you need any help, internet is here and I'm here, I can help you. Just say it, okay? Before I go, guys, please subscribe to the channel because I'm actually going to upload basic tech videos which going to be very beginners friendly, and if you are not from technology background, then please subscribe to the channel because I know learning new technology stuff is little overwhelming. I know you can do it. So take care, guys. See you in the next week.